Hello everyone, I am Tilki and welcome to my channel CBSC Science World. Today we are going to discuss Chapter 1 of Class 6 Science, Food, Where Does It Come From? In this chapter we will be covering following topics: food and its importance, food variety, food ingredients, food materials and sources, plant parts used as food, seed germination, animal products as food, types of animals based on food habit. What comes in your mind when you think about food? All the yummy food items: pizza, burger, noodles, french fries, and many more food items. Anything that we eat or drink for our survival is considered as food. All the living organisms, they require food for their survival. It could be human beings, animals, and plants. Why do we need food? Because it provides us energy to do various activities, whether it is a physical activity or a mental activity. It helps in growth. It helps to repair damaged parts of our body. It also protects us from various diseases. We eat variety of food items and it depends upon different factors. The first factor is time. For example, in breakfast, we eat sandwiches, poha, upma, paratha, whereas in lunch and dinner, we eat sabzi roti, dal chawal, dosa, and if we are non-vegetarian, then we eat egg, meat, fish. In morning and evening, we take milk, tea, and coffee. There is one activity for you people. Ask your friends about the items they would be eating during a day and write it in your notebook. Food also varies from region to region or state to state. For example, North Indians, mainly Punjabis, they love to eat parathas and chole bhature, whereas South Indians, they prefer to eat dosa, idli, sambar, and vada. The materials which are used to prepare a food item or dish are known as food ingredients. For example, the ingredients that are used to prepare dal are pulses, water, salt, oil, spices. In order to prepare boiled rice, we need rice and water. For chapati, we need flour, water. For vegetable curry, we need vegetable, salt, spices, oil, and water. To prepare idli, we require rice, urad dal, salt, water. To prepare kheer, we need rice, milk, sugar, and dry fruits. To prepare omelette, we need eggs, salt, spices, vegetables, and oil. To prepare chicken curry, we need chicken meat, salt, spices, oil, and water. Try to find some more food items along with their ingredients. Food ingredients are obtained from two sources. First one, plant sources like rice, wheat, all the spices, fruits, and vegetables. Second one, animal sources, eggs, milk, meat, and fish. Can you think of ingredients that come from sources other than plants and animals? Yes. For example, salt, which comes from seawater. And the second one is water, which comes from ponds, rivers, lakes, etc. Different plant parts are used as food. For example, flower, leaf, fruit, stem, root, and seeds. That is why they are considered as edible parts of a plant. For example, we eat roots of beetroot, radish, carrot, and sweet potato. Similarly, we eat stem of potato, onion, ginger, and turmeric. We also eat leaves of fenugreek, spinach, cabbage, and lettuce. We also eat flowers of pumpkin, sunflower, and banana. We eat fruits of apple, banana, mango, and papaya. We also eat seeds of wheat, maize, rice, gram, and peas. Some plants have two or more edible parts. For example, we eat seeds and leaves of mustard plant. We also eat fruit and flowers of banana. Think of examples where two or more parts of a single plant are used as food. Now we will discuss about seed germination. What are sprouts? When seeds are provided with all the required conditions like air, water, and sunlight, then they begin to germinate by developing tiny roots, and the seeds are considered as sprouts. You can also perform the process of seed germination. Take some dry seeds of moong or chana. Put a small quantity of seeds in a container filled with water and leave this aside for a day. Next day, take out the water completely and leave the seeds in the vessel. Wrap them with a piece of wet cloth and set aside. The next day, you will observe white structure coming out of the seeds. The seeds have sprouted. We know that some animals like cow, buffalo, goat provide us milk. From milk, we obtain cheese, curd, and butter. Chicken and duck provide us eggs, whereas goat and chicken provide us meat. From honeybees, we obtain honey. How can we obtain honey from honeybees? Honeybees collect nectar from flowers, mix it with saliva and convert it into honey and store it in their hives. We collect honey from beehive and consume it. Types of animals on the basis of food habits. The first category is herbivores. Animals which eat only plant parts, and plant products are called herbivores. For example, cow, deer, elephant, horses, goat, and buffalo. Second one, carnivores. Animals which eat other animals are called carnivores. For example, lion, tiger, snake, lizards, spider, and fox. Third one is omnivores. Animals which eat both plants and animals are called omnivores. For example, human beings, dog, rats, crow, and bear. So we have completed chapter 1. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. For any doubt, please write your questions in a comment box. Thank you.